Hi all, very good morning, good afternoon and good evening. If you are the one who have completed your diploma, BE, BTech, ME or MTech, specialized into civil engineering, architectural, mechanical, production, automobile, electrical, electronics and communication or any other particular engineering, or any particular graduation or post-graduation like BCom, BBA, BA, MCom, MSc, and if you are very seriously looking for a right career and a very good job opportunity, yes, this presentation is for you. So let me give you a brief overview on the software training and placement consultancy services what we provide. So myself is Uday Bhaskar Varda. I'm an ME mechanical engineer holding 15 plus years of experience and work with Caterpillar, Tech Mahindra, Quest Global and Cyient in my past experience. And I'm also the founder and director for my own organization, that is Bhaskar's Engineering Design and IT Center. I'm also the managing head for the software training unit CAD Desk and IT Desk located in Bomanali and Madiwala. Yes, so majorly these are our 4 areas of services: software training, spoken English and IELTS, placements and career counseling. So when it comes to software training, we are collaborated with our software training partner CAD Desk and IT Desk. So when it comes to English, we try to give practical form of English. Again, when it comes to placements, yes, we assure job guarantee. So we'll try to see like whom all we are connected, so how we can give the placements to the students who have been trained with us in the softwares. And when it comes to career counseling, there are some of the students who really don't know like which particular domain they need to take it, which particular degree they have to opt it, or which particular direction they need to go. So we try to give them a clear overview and a clear path in line to their interest and as per their market, like which particular direction they need to choose. That is civil engineering softwares, mechanical, electrical and IT softwares. So depending upon the interest of the student and what actually their dream and what actually their goal is, so student can learn the particular softwares. Yes. Now let me see. We run both software training and placements in our institute. So when it comes to software training, civil engineers, mechanical, electrical engineers will be provided with a CAD Desk certification, and engineers who opt for Java and Python, SAP courses, they will be getting an IT Desk certification. Yes, and here we provide you a nationwide valid certification, secured certification. Secured certification, basically we have a scanner in the certificates, exercise books for practice, textbooks, software examination. Yes, software examination we conduct at a dual stage, that is at an intermediate level and at a final level. So reliable course fee, installment mode of course fee for the benefit of student. Now when it comes to placements, how actually we prepare our student. So we make our student technically strong by conducting technical sessions, revision session before we send for the interview, such that student also gets a confident interview. Communication and presentation skills, again we look into this particular area, whether a student is able to express himself or not, or where he is lacking or which particular area we try to focus in that particular areas. And support till student gets placed in the right job, interview questionnaire and resume verification. Yes, so these particular steps what we follow in line with software training as well as placements. Now let me see about like what are the technical questions and which softwares actually to choose. Let me see the next slide. Interview questions for every subject. So basically, student who is coming from academics, he may or may not have the knowledge of practical things. So the important interview questions were made to bridge the gap between the academics and practical to crack the interviews in a better way. See, for example, student has completed some of the software courses, and if suppose he is in a perception that yes, I have completed the software course and easily I may crack the interviews. No. Applying to the softwares, student again needs to be strong in the technical things at the same time subject level. So we try to frame out that like subject, software, at the same time technical things in this particular important interview questions. So this helps the student to make them and crack the interviews at their best. Yeah. So Java programming, quantity survey, Python and etc. and many more. In line to the companies what we are connected, we have tried to frame out some set of courses where we can place the students in the right location. So civil engineers, diploma civil or BE BTech civil or MTech civil engineers, so they can opt for AutoCAD civil, architecture, SketchUp and V-Ray. Mechanical students, they can opt for AutoCAD, GD&T, SolidWorks and CATIA. Electrical students, they can opt for AutoCAD, Electrical, MEP and E-Plan. IT students, they can go for Java full stack or Python full stack, Java, advanced Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL. Python students, they can go for Python, Django, HTML, CSS, JavaScript or MySQL. Even Python, like IT students and non-IT students can opt for Python. Similar accounting and finance, they can go for SAP program, that is Tally, Advanced Excel and SAP. Next video. Now let me see about the certification. So this is somehow the certification looks like. Yes. So here the first and most important thing, if you can see, a secured scanner. You have an ISO certification, you have name of the student, registration number, okay, what type of course program he has opted for, whether it is a professional diploma or a general diploma or a master CAD diploma. Basically master diploma is the highest certification what we give, and basically the courses what are being covered in this particular program, and what is the duration it has taken, on which date the certification was awarded, and what is the grade actually he has got it, which location actually this certification has been released from. So all these things will be there, and as a process of verification, so when you submit to any particular company, yes, so they can have a verification from this secured. Next, coming for this IT desk certification, yes, it has an IT desk logo, a secured scanner, name of the student, certificate, program what he has opted for, what is the course which is being covered in that certificate program, and where actually he has taken, the duration of the course, and what is the award he has actually got. And the most important thing is the alliance partners. So basically the alliance partner is Microsoft Technology. It means the certification which is there, it is further strengthened with that particular alliance partners, and the certification is valid across India, anywhere. Full overview of this particular training and placements. Yes, we are trying to give you a nationwide valid certification of CAD desk, IT desk, a secured certification, technical sessions during training, revision session before interviews, support till student get placed in the job, guaranteed job placement, reliable course fee, installment mode of payments, internship certification. Yes, you be from any part of India and you wanted to look for a right career and right job, yes, so you can join our institute, and we are there to take you to the right level and right path and right career. So for any query, you can visit any of our institute in Bomanali or Madivara of Bangalore, or you can also contact us at 80500911122, 80500411122. Please share this valuable information to others. Thank you.